Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Vedika. So today we are going to discuss a question which was asked in CBSE Examination 2025, and this question is from differentiation. So the question is, if x is equal to a under bracket cos theta plus log tan theta by 2 and y is equal to a sin theta, then we have to find d2y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 4, and this question is of 5 marks. So let's start solving it. d2y by dx square, it means we have to differentiate y with respect to x 2 times. First of all, we'll differentiate y with respect to x, and the value obtained will be differentiated one more time. Okay, so here we can see that x and y both are functions of theta. So to obtain dy by dx, we need to first differentiate y with respect to theta and then x with respect to theta, and then we'll divide. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So here y is a sin theta, so dy by d theta is equal to d y is a sin theta, differentiating it with respect to d theta is equal to a is constant, so a sin theta, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Okay, now we'll differentiate x with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is equal to, let's put the value of x, a into cos theta plus log tan theta by 2, differentiating this with respect to theta, which is equal to a is constant, so it will be kept outside, and differentiation of cos theta with respect to theta is minus sin theta plus differentiation of log of tan theta by 2 is 1 by tan theta by 2. Again, tan theta by 2 will also be differentiated with respect to theta, so it will be sec square theta by 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to a into minus sin theta plus half into, now 1 by tan theta by 2 will be written as sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. So cos theta will come to numerator, so sin theta cos theta by 2 into sec square theta by 2 will be written as 1 by cos square theta by 2. Now this is equal to a into minus sin theta plus half. Now this cos square theta by 2 will be cancelled out by cos theta by 2 in numerator, and we'll left out with cos theta by 2. So half into 1 by sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. This is equal to A into minus sin theta plus 1 by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now this is equal to A minus sin theta plus 1 by 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 will be 2 sin 2 theta by 2. 2 theta by 2. By applying the formula of sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. So this is minus sin theta plus 1 by, this 2 will be cancelled out. Sorry, this will be 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 will be sin 2 theta by 2. This 2 will not be there. Okay, so this will be 1 by sin theta. Now taking LCM, we'll have sin theta minus sin square theta plus 1, which is equal to A 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta, which is equal to A into 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta by sin theta. Okay, now we have dy by d theta is equal to A cos theta and dx by d theta is equal to A cos square theta by sin theta. So dy by dx is equal to, we need to divide dy by d theta, which is A cos theta by dx by d theta, which is A cos square theta by sin theta. Now this is equal to A cos theta by A cos theta cos square theta, so it can be written as cos theta into cos theta, and sin theta will come at denominator, sorry, numerator. So cos theta cancelled out, A cancelled out, so we have sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. Okay, so here dy by dx is equal to tan theta. Okay, now we have to obtain d2y by dx square, so we need to differentiate dy by dx one more time. So dy by dx is differentiated with respect to x, okay, which is equal to d tan theta by d theta multiplied by d theta by dx. Okay, so this is equal to d2y by dx square. Now tan theta is differentiated with respect to theta. The value is sec square theta into d theta upon dx. Now the value of d theta by dx, here we have dx by d theta. The value of dx by d theta is a cos square theta by sin theta. So the value of d theta by dx will be reciprocal of this value. So sec square theta into d theta by dx is equal to sin theta by a cos square theta. Sin theta by a cos square theta. Now here we have 1 by a into sin theta by sec square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta into cos square theta. This is equal to sin theta by a cos to the power 4 theta. Now we have to obtain d2y by dx square, d2y by dx square at theta at pi by 4, at theta equal to pi by 4. So putting the value of theta as pi by 4, we have sin pi by 4 divided by a cos to the power 4 pi by 4. So here sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by a, and cos pi by 4 is also equal to 1 by root 2 to the power 4. So this will be cancelled out and we're left with a into 1 by root 2 cube. So 1 by a root 2 cube, which is equal to 2 root 2 by a. So this is the final answer. I hope you understood the method. It was a bit longer, but the question was of 5 marks. So I think you got the method. Okay, we'll meet in next session with some other question. Thank you.